Roger that. Roger that. Do you copy? 10-4, roger that. Are you there? Yeah, we spotted the male. He's westbound, sunny side. Oh, he's on to us. He's moved. We got movement. We've got movement. Let's send a red pickup. We've got undercover. Roger. Roger that. We're on to him. Send a red pickup. Alright. We'll circle back. This dog is extremely large. Oh, he's onto us. He's onto us. 10-4. Send the tank. Send the tank. He's running. We got movement. We're losing him. We're losing him. Stay on him.
Force field from the chopper.
Stay on him now. Where'd he go?
Disappeared.
Okay, he's still a hideout. We lost him, guys. Sorry.
If you like this skit, send me a comment in the comment section saying you liked it. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down so I'll know. Hopefully it made you laugh. Enjoy your day.